welcome back to my YouTube channel Challenge and Inspire, and it's me Shilpi Rai. So today's video is going to be very interesting, and it is yoga for beginners. And when we start talking about yoga for beginners, the first thing comes in our mind, especially in my mind, and I hope most of you, Surya Namaskar. So it's one of my favorite routine, Surya Namaskar, and I just love doing it. And if you are keeping this in your daily practice, it's going to be very helpful for you. So try doing Surya Namaskar with me. There are lots of benefits, lots of advantage of it. While doing Surya Namaskar, I'll be explaining each and every step, how to do, when to do, and what are the benefits of each step. So let's go into the video and watch it till end and learn Surya Namaskar with me and try doing. एक चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि आप जब भी सूर्य नमस्कार प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये होता है कि यू शुड ऑलवेज प्रैक्टिस दिस विद एम्प्टी स्टमक. सो ये नहीं कि भर के नाश्ता कर लिया और फिर सूर्य नमस्कार किया. नो, योर स्टमक शुड बी एम्प्टी. एंड या तो ये सनराइज के टाइम में करते हैं, अर्ली सनराइज, या फिर ये सनसेट के टाइम में कर सकते हो आप. Like when I started doing this, the time was 5:30 a.m. So for this, you have to get up little early in the morning, and believe me, it will be very energetic, very refreshing, and you feel like doing it more and more. So I have seen the benefit of Surya Namaskar. In my family, everybody practice this Surya Namaskar. मेरे पापा करते हैं, मेरी मम्मा करती है, मैं, मेरे सब कोई भाई बहन जो भी हैं, हम सब सूर्य नमस्कार को डेली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और हम सबको इससे बहुत से फायदे हैं. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इस पे एक वीडियो किया जाए, क्योंकि ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट रूटीन है. और मुझे एक रिक्वेस्ट भी आया था कि योगा फॉर बिगिनर्स के लिए कोई वीडियो करने के लिए. तो ये सबसे अच्छा स्टार्ट है. अगर आप योगा नहीं करते हो, अगर कुछ जानते नहीं हो, तो सबसे अच्छा स्टार्ट है कि आप अपने योगा रूटीन को, अपने वर्कआउट रूटीन को सूर्य नमस्कार से स्टार्ट करो, जिसमें बहुत से डिफरेंट स्ट्रेचिंग्स होते हैं, बहुत से डिफरेंट पार्ट्स के एक्सरसाइज होते हैं, जो कि मैं आपको वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी और आई थिंक कर दिया है. तो ट्राई करो इसको करने के लिए. आपको बहुत इससे फायदा होने वाला है और आपकी पूरी लाइफ को ये चेंज करके रख देगा. Step 1, Pranamasana, prayer pose. With your feet together, fold your hands, inhale, then exhale. It is very good for the diseases of throat, enhances our voice, and both mind and body becomes healthy. Step 2 is Hasta Uttasana, raised arms pose. Taking your arms upwards and backwards, stretch your body as much as you can. Step 3, Hasta Padasana, hand to foot pose. Bring your arms forward, bending down. Try to touch your feet. Step 4, Ashwa Sanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Bend your left leg at the knee and lean forward, pushing your torso back with your hands. This posture stretches the small intestine and helps in correcting constipation and diseases of liver. Step 5, Dandasana, stick pose. Bring your left leg behind to join your right leg with your hands straight. It relieves from the pains, especially of arms, legs, and the knees. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara, salute with 8 parts or points. Bend your elbows and lower your body to the ground. Step 7, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Straighten your hands, pushing your torso backwards. Step 8. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Raise your butt upwards so your body forms an inverted V. Step 9. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Repeat step 4 but with your right leg forward this time. Step 10. Hasta Padasana, hand to foot pose. Repeat step 5. Step 11. Hasta Uttasana, raised arms pose. Repeat step 2. Step 12. Tadasana. Come back to step 1 with your folded hands. Surya Namaskar is a complete body workout. 12 sets of Surya Namaskar translates into doing 288 powerful yoga poses in a span of 12 to 15 minutes. Each posture has its own significance when it is done properly in a correct way. So, 2 sets of Surya Namaskar means 12 plus 12 completes 1 round of Surya Namaskar. Means 2 times is equal to 1 complete round. It stretches both the shoulders and the foot pipe. Disorders of belly and digestive systems are corrected. The chest and hands become stronger. This posture stretches the small intestine and helps in correcting constipation and diseases of liver. Dandasana helps to relieve from pain, especially of arms, legs, knees, and also trims the bulging waist. If ladies perform Ashtang Namaskara before getting pregnant, the breastfed babies could be saved from the attacks of many diseases. Bhujangasana tones up the body and back muscles and improves the eyesight. While doing mountain pose, exhale, and it is very good for the abdominal disorders. It also relieves the pain of arms, legs, and knees. Inhale. While doing this posture, it stretches the small intestine and helps in correcting constipation. To understand better when to inhale and when to exhale and the complete description, please check the description box. I will be explaining each stretching's benefit in details, so please do check my description box for detailed explanation. Stay tuned to watch my 108 times challenge for Surya Namaskar. I hope you liked my video, and I hope that you will be doing Surya Namaskar from now. If you have not started, believe me, just start doing, and within a week you will feel a change and you will be like very motivated for Surya Namaskar. Like I am very motivated for this, and I never feel lazy while doing Surya Namaskar. So even you will become like that, and you also try doing this. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon that you will get notification for my latest videos. Stay happy, stay safe and stay healthy.